Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the frames per second on your Thinkphone by Motorola. For that you need to go to your settings, go to display and then go to, where is it? Display refresh rate. It's set to auto right now, smart optimization up to 120. You can set it to 60, smooth, lower battery consumption, 120, smoother, higher battery consumption, and 144, smoothest but also highest battery consumption. It's set to 60 right now. We'll go back and then scroll through the menu here. Then go back and set it to 120. I think it's already smoother. And if we set it to 144, it is pretty smooth, but I don't actually see a big difference to the 121. If you set it to auto, the phone will just decide by itself what, display refresh rate it needs right now. The 144 refresh rate is really nice, probably for like games and stuff, but otherwise, I don't think you really need a 144 display refresh rate on your phone. So a high display refresh rate allows for smoother viewing, but it drains the battery faster. Refresh rate is capped at 60 in the battery saver mode. So you can totally go ahead, choose whatever you like, or set it to auto and then the phone will decide what it needs. So that's how you can customize the frames per second on your Thinkphone by Motorola. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.